We were extremely successful and we wanted to expand internationally. We wanted to go global. As the founder of the company, I have a dream that success is meant for the entire Agape community, not just me. As a company, we have a big dream. So we were decided to come to Nasdaq to grow up company. Today, we are among the leading companies from Malaysia to be listed in Nasdaq.
What a year this month has been on the Nasdaq. Double-digit percentage point gains.
Good morning. This is the last day of November, last trading day of November.
Okay, the bells are ringing across North America on this Thursday morning at the Nasdaq.
It is my great pleasure to welcome Agape ATP, ticker ATPC, to the Nasdaq family.